So far, this is everything what it looks like before I'm going. We're still packing things right now. Not much suitcases as a bit more suitcases than last year. If you might remember last year, there's a whole bunch of them here, all the way to that door there. This is just the living room. As it turns out, I won't be bringing that with me anymore. Again. They say it's practically useless when I reach the hotel later. I had to doubt that, so we'll just see. Oh yeah, this is everything in my book bag. Minus the clipboard, which I don't know where I put it actually. Dang it. I need a clipboard. I really need that clipboard so I can do that. So I can do some of the work that my teacher's giving me. For example, Mrs. Olenek. This is not actually my language teacher. English. That's my cousin. Yellow.
Can I help you?
Nothing.